Hey everyone, in this video we will learn whether is Swagbucks real or fake, and we'll also go through the payment proof and withdrawal process. Swagbucks is a legitimate rewards platform where users can earn point SP by completing tasks such as taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online and more. These points can be redeemed for PayPal Cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Many users have reported receiving payments from Swagbucks, with some sharing screenshots of PayPal deposits, confirming that Swagbucks does pay its users. However, the time it takes to receive payments can vary. Some users have experienced delays, especially with their first withdrawal, which may take up to 10 business days. Subsequent payments generally process more quickly, typically within 2 to 7 days, depending on weekends and holidays. To withdraw earnings from Swagbucks, you need to accumulate SP points through various activities on the platform. Once you have enough points, you can go to the rewards sections on the Swagbucks website or app and select PayPal as your redemption options. After entering your PayPal email address and confirming the redemption details, the funds will be transferred to your PayPal account. From there, you can withdraw them to your bank or use them for online purchases. Swagbucks is a reliable platform for earning extra money in your spare time. While payment processing time may vary, many users successfully redeem their earnings without issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.